We are quickly approaching the end of the year, and before the holidays hit, I wanted to share with you another sourdough recipe, a double chocolate chip brown butter sourdough cookie recipe. Now, these cookies are soft, they're chewy, they're very cake-like in texture. So, if this sounds like something you want to do, let me show you how to make it. Since I love brown butter, we are going to start off by browning our butter. So, just add your butter to a saucepan. Mine was kind of already at room temperature, and I just browned it. Make sure you don't, burn it, and then add it to a mixing bowl. Add in your brown sugar and your white sugar and your vanilla. Give that a good stir. Once it's all combined, you want to add in your sourdough discard. Make sure you're using discard and give that another quick stir. Once everything is all incorporated, you want to start adding in your eggs. I'm using 3 eggs and give it a mix. Once your eggs are all combined, go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which are your flour, your baking soda, your baking powder, and your salt. Allow this to come together, turn it off. And here I am just going to be chopping up my chocolate. So I'm using dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Use your favorite chocolate. Try to use good quality chocolate. So I was at Target and I couldn't find my favorite chocolate, which was a bummer. But yeah, I'm using what I had. Okay, so I gave it a quick chop. You can use the chocolate chips if you want. You don't have to use dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Just do whatever works for you. I'm using both because I am making a double chocolate chip cookie. So save some for later just to top your cookies off. And the rest of the chocolate, I just slowly added into the mixture. And once it was all, combined and lovely looking, I went ahead and stopped my mixer. And I just put some plastic wrap over the top and I refrigerated overnight. You can refrigerate it for 12 hours. It's sourdough, so you do want it to ferment just a little bit, By a little bit, I mean a few hours, like 12 hours. So it's actually not a little bit, I guess. So the next day, I went ahead and pulled everything out. You might want to pull out your chocolate chips probably like 10-15 minutes before, you want to bake them. Preheat your oven, and now I'm just scooping them up and I am lining them on my cookie sheet. Allow there to be, a little bit of space. Top them with that reserved chocolate chips or the chocolate, that you reserved from earlier, and top them off with some sea salt and then bake them at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Now, like I said, these cookies are cake-like. They're super delicious. I hope you guys try them. Dunk them in milk. They're delicious. I believe this will be my last recipe that I post this year, so happy holidays from my family to yours. I'm just really excited to be spending time with my little family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.